Hello everyone, this is lesson number 18, pollution of air and water from the class 8th. Here you are going to learn first the meaning of the pollution. So many times we heard the word pollution, we have seen the pollution, many times we heard different type of news where the pollution, air pollution, water pollution is shown in the news. So quite we are aware about this. But what is the pollution? If we see here, the presence of unusually high concentration of harmful or poisonous substances in the environment is called as pollution. So when unwanted material or high concentrated harmful or poisonous substances, when they get collect more and more in the environment, then it is called as pollution. So pollution contaminates air as well as water and soil also. So we heard air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution as well as noise pollution also. So now see here. So this contamination of air, contamination of water with the harmful poisonous substances which makes that air and water impure, and that such type of impure air which is very harmful for our health, impure water is very harmful our health. So human being, animals, all these are not able to consume that water which is very harmful, as well as the air they cannot breathe properly, and when they breathe with the harmful air, the different type of diseases they will have in the future. So the plants as well as the animals, not only living things but non-living things also get affected because of this pollution. If you see here, this is the solid waste, here the water pollution is shown, and here the air pollution is shown. So because of this air pollution, living thing as well as non-living thing also get affected. Water pollution also affects all those things, living as well as non-living things. Now pollution, so what does it look like? So here you can see here some pictures of the pollutions. So air, now here you can see air is a mixture of gases. So you learned in the previous class also that in the air oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor and other gases are present. The percentage of nitrogen gas is 78 in the atmospheric air, where the 21% oxygen is present. And if we see now 1% remain, that 1% of the air is occupied by this carbon dioxide gas, then water vapor, argon and other gases are also present there. But now see, in addition to the normal constituent, polluted air may also contain some harmful gases such as carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, as well as dust and smoke. So we generally know the air is mixture of gas, and where the nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21% and 1% other gases are present. But in addition of these, if in the air there is a presence of carbon monoxide gas, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, dust and smoke, then we can say the air is polluted or the air is contaminated. So we can say there is air pollution because of these extra gases. So here in the diagram we can see 78% nitrogen, where 21% oxygen and 1% other gases. This is the composition of air. Now air pollution. If you see here in this picture, the air pollution, how it is get caused, it is shown. But in the cities, the air over large cities is contaminated with harmful gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxides, smoke and dust. So these are the harmful gases. If you see CO2, SO2, nitrogen dioxides, carbon monoxides, smoke and dust. Now the contamination of air with harmful gases like smoke, dust as well as the sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, which is called as air pollution. So this is the definition of the air pollution. So air pollution is nothing but It is a contamination of air with the harmful gases such as smoke, dust, SO2, NOCOs, and other things. So, substances whose presence in the air makes it impure or contaminated is called an air pollutants. So, what substances are present in the air which are very harmful for the air, which makes the air impure, those are called as air pollutant. So, here air pollutants are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, smoke, and dust. So, these are called as air pollutants. So here it is also shown. With these again chlorofluorocarbon and some suspended particles also present in there. Those are also called as air pollutants. So these are the parts of major air pollutants which causes the air pollution. Now, causes of air pollution. How air pollution get caused and why it is get caused. So both the columns are shown here. So how air pollution is get caused we will learn first. So cloud of smoke from the exhaust of vehicle. All the type of vehicles are running on the road and they are releasing a black color smoke. That smoke or the cloud of smoke from the exhaust of the vehicle also responsible for the air pollution. So in short, vehicles are responsible for air pollution. Again, smoke from the factory chimney. In previous slide also I have shown the chimneys, from the chimneys smoke get released. So the factory also responsible for the air pollution. Eruption of volcano. So here also you can see, because of eruption of volcano, different type of gases and smoke is get released in the air, which is responsible for the air pollution. Now cigarette, many persons they are smoking, so this cigarette is also responsible for making the air pollution. And burning leaves in the farm, dried leaves, dried branches, all these things are get burned by the farmer, which is responsible for the air pollution. So these are the causes of the air pollution, or how air pollution is get caused. So these are the responsible factor for the air pollutions: vehicle, factory, volcano, cigarette, and burning of the leaves or anything whatever we burn. Now why this air pollution get cause? Increasing traffic. Now see, the day by day population is goes on increasing. So the number of people are using the number of transports. So increasing traffic is responsible. Growing cities, number of peoples or number of population is going on increasing, so that's why number of cities also growing. Rapid economic development, industrialization, many industries are get established and they are releasing the smoke, harmful gases in the air, so they are also responsible. And apathetic people, so all these are responsible for the air pollution. Here you can see the source of air pollution through the chimney. The harmful gases are get released here also from this plant or from this industry. Harmful gases are released in the air. Now what air pollution gives effect? So how it is very harmful for the human being. Now here you can see this air pollution is very harmful and harmful effects are there of the air pollution. So which are those? First, health problem. Many health problem are get created. Many diseases related to our lungs or respiratory system are get caused just because of the air pollution. Damage of the environment. So environment get damaged because of this air pollution. Damage to the property. Different type of statues, monuments also get damaged by this air pollution because of acid rain. And thinning of the protective ozone layer of the atmosphere, which is leading to climate change. And because of CFCs, means chlorofluorocarbon, the amount of chlorofluorocarbon is increased in the air, so which is responsible to make the thin layer of the ozone, otherwise to make holes in the ozone layer. So thinning or becoming hole in the ozone layer and health problem, these are the harmful effects of the air pollution. Acid rain. So what is the acid rain? Here you can come to know what is meant by acid rain. So the poisonous gases like sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxide. As we have learnt in the previous slide, these two are the major pollutant of the air pollution, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, and they are very poisonous gases. When they get released by the industries or by the burning fossil fuels or by the vehicles, then these gases go to the atmosphere and pollute it. Now see, this sulfur dioxide react with the water vapor to form sulfuric acid, and nitrogen oxide react with the water vapor to form nitric acid. So we know that water vapor is present in the air, and these type of gases, this nitrogen oxide gas and the sulfur dioxide gas, when they get mixed in the air, there is a water vapor, so they react with the water vapor. Water vapor means H2O. So when they react with the H2O, now when nitrogen oxide react with water, they form nitric acid, and when sulfur dioxide react with the water or water vapor, they form sulfuric acid, and both are the acids. So these acids get dissolved with the rainwater and fall on the earth in the form of acid rain. So when this acid get dissolved with the rainwater in the rainy season, it forms acid, and this acid comes down in the form of acid rain on the earth. Now, is this acid rain helpful? No. So acid rain is very harmful. So it gives bad effect. So how? Direct damage to the leaves and roots. If you see here, because of acid rain, the leaves are get damaged. The previous plant and then after the acid rain, you can see the change here. So the leaves are get damaged, and even the roots also get damaged, and trees get weakened and eaten by the insects. So here, this is the bad effect of the acid rain on the plant. Now on the statues or monuments, you can see here this statue is made up of marble and the limestone. So the previous picture and after the acid rain, when acid rain falls on this statue, you can see its color become dull and there are small holes also. So this acid break down these materials. This acid when fall on the marble and the limestone, on this statue which is made by the marble and limestone, acid react with that marble and limestone and gives the reaction, and the statue, we can see the change in the statue or how the statue looks like. Taj Mahal is also good example of acid rain. You can see many famous buildings are being damaged, like Taj Mahal. Initially Taj Mahal was in completely white color. Now you can see the yellow color patches are available on the this monument, this Taj Mahal, and this Parthenon. Here also you can see it is also get affected by the acid rain. Statue of Liberty, loss of artistic detail in the Acropolis. So here also you can see the effect of acid rain. Now the case study of the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal in Agra, it is near Delhi. It is a beautiful historical monument made of pure white marble. The experts have warned that the air pollution around the Taj Mahal area is discoloring its white marble and also corroding it slowly. This poses a threat to the beauty of Taj Mahal. The acid present in the rain react with the white marble and corrode it slowly. So here discoloring of marble of this Taj is just because of the acid rain. The Taj Mahal is in good state, unaffected by the acid rain. It was the previous diagram, but nowadays it becomes like this. So its color means there is a discoloring of the Taj Mahal, you can see, just because of the acid rain.